Hola, bienvenidos a otra video. And today I'll be doing a fridge organization video. So, let's get started. So, right here is an overview of the before look. Okay guys, so you're in the fridge right now. I'm gonna start by taking everything out the fridge and cleaning everything and then organizing and putting it all back in. But I'm gonna show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, well I got 2 of these. I can't take it out, but 2 of these. I don't know what they're gonna be for, but my mom insisted on getting them. This is a pack of 3. These are all white or clear bins because it just looks nice. These have a rubber. Navit, can you be quiet? These have a rubber thing right here. I was thinking of putting these in the deli drawer for the cheese and the meat and whatever. I don't know what the other one will be used for though. This is an overview of the whole fridge with everything out but not cleaned yet. started cleaning the fridge with just hot water and Dawn soap. And I cleaned everything that was in the fridge, like the storage units. Now here's an overview of the fridge when it's all clean. All cleaned up as best as I could, and these I couldn't take out. I thought I broke them at first. Or we could put chorizo in here. Yeah, I might do that. But yeah. Okay, so up here we have whatever this is. I don't know. It looks like medicine. And ranch, barbecue sauce, hot sauce, and barbecue sauce. On this door, we have condiments, whatever. Roja, crema, mayonnaise, syrup, ketchup. This is what my mom puts in the fridge and freezers to not make it stink. Like if something old is in here, whatever that is. Pickles, pepper, and medicine. And then right here we have leftovers. This is where we're gonna put the leftovers, is in the first top shelf thing. Frijoles, hamburger, and looks like carne. I don't know what it is. Oh wait, I think it's hamburger helper. We have butter right here. Bubbles. That's my bubbles because it's heart. And then flour tortillas, corn tortillas. Right here will be where the yogurts go. Since we only have one yogurt, I just put the jelly in there. So that's like that. And then right here is the eggs. Right here is this part. This just has the drinks. And don't yell. I mean, don't yell. Don't mind my mom was yelling. She's yelling at her daughter on the phone. We have milk, orange juice. I had to restart. Creamer. We got, I forgot what those are called. What are those called? Biscuits. And then jelly. And these containers. And then we got bacon, leftover, not leftover, but like we uncooked bacon out the package. Sausage and chorizo back there. So I just stacked it like that and put it right there. And then in these drawers, here's this. Right here we just have all the lettuces and Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, limes, and I thought something else, I don't know. Oh, jalapenos, and then grapes, tomatoes, and cranberries in this drawer. And in this drawer, I like it much better like this. It's so good. And then on this, these things were sliding because I was going to put the chorizo in here. But they were sliding on this, so it's good that we got the ones with the rubber stoppers like that, because they don't slide. We just have the cheeses both right here. Cojita cheese, more cheese, ham, and then the whatever sausage or whatever. I don't know. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know why I cut off there. I don't know what happened, but thank you guys so much for watching. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications. And I'll see y'all guys with another video later. Bye.